Okay, so let's take a look at this irregular figure. And we have to answer the question, what is the area? So we know our first step is to decompose this shape into rectangles. So let's make sure we understand what all of these numbers mean. I can see that the length of this side is 12 centimeters. The width here is 6 centimeters. I can see this is 2 centimeters. And this is 8 centimeters. So I have some sides that I'm not sure what the lengths are. I'm going to erase these lines. So now I have to make a decision. Well, I can see this is one of the shapes where I can decompose it into more than two rectangles, actually. I can decompose it here and here. So now I have one rectangle, two, three, and a small one here. So let's see if I can figure out the length and the width of each rectangle. Let's take a look at this one in the middle here that I've labeled as rectangle 2. Here is this long rectangle. I can see this is 2 centimeters here, so I'd have to do 2 times. I'm not sure what this length would be. So I'm not sure this is the best way to decompose. Let's see. I can see this side here is 6, but I don't know the length here. So I think we need to start again. I can decompose it that way, but I don't have enough information. So instead of doing 3 rectangles, what if we just broke it here and did 2? So I have this rectangle here at the top. I can see the length of this side is 2 centimeters and its width is 8. So 2 times 8, I could do that. And then let's look down here. This side length is 6 centimeters and this is 12 centimeters. So I think I can do this one. I can multiply the length 12 by the width 6. I know 2 eighths, 8 and 8, that's 16. But I'm going to take a look down here. 6 centimeters, 12 centimeters. I'm going to use what I know about breaking apart. So I'm going to erase this in the middle. And I'm going to break apart, imagining that I could see my square units. And I'm going to break it right down the middle. So there's 3 rows of square units and 3. I broke my 6 into 3 and 3, but they each have 12. 3 times 12 and 3 times 12. 12, 12, and 12. I am going to write an algorithm over here. 12 plus 12 plus 12. Stack 3 numbers in my algorithm. 2, 4, 6. 10, 20, 30. So the area of each one is 36 centimeters. Now I have to add all of these up. First, I'm going to do my 36 plus 36 and then add the 16 from the top. So even though we are decomposing irregular shapes, we can use what we know about the distributive property as well and break apart big rectangles into smaller ones. So 6 plus 6 is 12. I'm going to regroup. 30 plus 30 is 60, and 10 more is 70. So the area of this big rectangle down the bottom is 72 square centimeters. Now I have to add that to the 16 from the top. I'm going to use my space over here. 72 plus 16. 6 plus 2 is 8, and 70 plus 10 more is 8 tens, 80. Wow, so the area of this irregular figure is 88 square units.